So, man, I'm done with Section 8 tenants. There's like a freeze in Houston right now. So me and my father, we went to like all 11 of my rental properties. It's been like, I think probably like 6 months since I've been, probably like 6 months to a year since I've been at this property. They moved in like 2 years ago. The this particular house, it's like a 3-1. And I had a lot of people that was interested, but because of the neighborhood was kind of rough, and then the house across the street, they got like a bunch of dogs. It looks like a trap house. And so, we fixed it up, made it, pretty nice, refinished all the wood, laminate everywhere, tile. It's a pretty nice house. It's a 3-1. But that's the problem though. People wanted it to be like a 3-2 because they wanted like that privacy or whatever. So I guess the parents want that privacy. They don't want to share rooms with their kids, which is understandable. So we rented out to this lady. She got 3 kids and a nephew, and I didn't get paid right away because she never turned in her key from the apartment. Like it was red flags everywhere. It was red flag. I chose to ignore it because the mortgage is like 900, and then Section 8 is paying like 1312 no matter what. So I was getting a $400 profit like no matter what. She's supposed to pay the difference. So I was supposed to got 1400, but she never paid the difference because she's supposed to pay like a dog fee, and then she's supposed to pay like I guess the remainder because I wanted 1400. So I never got the 1400. The vanity had like this leak. We replaced it. They complained to me. We got there like at 11:30, 12. No, I think we got there like 10. They got mad because we got there that early because they don't wake up till like 12. Like that was another red flag. And they want us to change out all the windows, but I know I don't change out all the windows on my properties. Like I'll just, fix the windows, the glass, whatever, and then keep it pushing because like you should replace the whole window on a flip, not for a rental property because they're gonna break them. And sure enough, like we went out there like a couple of days ago, and 3, 4 glasses are like broken. They got like an oven in the backyard. That house looks like a trap house now. And like, man, when I tell you this house was nice, it was like really, really nice. It was like one of my better houses. But at this point, when they move out, I'm finna sell the house because I'm not fixing to replace all the laminate and replace probably the vanity. The cabinets are usually good. And then you can't break the granite. Like it's hard to crack the granite unless y'all was like really doing something crazy in there. I'm probably gonna replace the oven and the microwave. So at this point, I'm just gonna sell the house. Like, and then the tree in the backyard is like dead and it's like rotted, and they were like saying that it was about to fall over. So they charged me like $1,600 to cut it down, and they told me like 2 days before, like today's Tuesday, the freeze started yesterday, and today's the last day. And they told me like I think that Friday. So I was getting no. They told me that I think that Wednesday night, and then Thursday and Friday I was getting estimates, and then I got it cut down Saturday. They was like blowing me up. They was blowing up my manager, and I'm just like, man, at this point, when they move out, I'm finna sell the house. Like I didn't even look in the house. My father did, and he said that it's like a pigsty. And my dad, when he says that, like it means it's like really, really bad. So I'm probably gonna replace the windows. I'm not gonna just replace the glass. I'm probably gonna put laminate everywhere, paint everything, replace the vanity. I think the tile. I think I might replace the tile. I'm not sure yet. I usually have like the glass type looking tile. It's really cool. Like it makes it real, real like fly. And the outside and the roof are brand new. The electrical is brand new, and the plumbing is brand new. So it's just cosmetic. And then we replaced the whole line in the backyard, and we replaced the gas line as well. So the whole house is like brand new, brand new. So um I'm just excited to sell the house, to be honest with you, because I got I just refinished. I mean, I just refinanced 5 to 6 houses last year. This is 2024. I refinanced like 5 to 6 houses last year, and I'm back in debt. I was almost debt free last year, and then I got right back in debt because I just been charging everything on credit cards. So I think the mortgage that I owe is like $90,000. So if I sell it for like 200 or even 190, I make like $100,000. So if I could keep the if I could keep the rehab under $10,000, I win. I win because I made 400 a month on the property. I did the math. It's like almost $10,000. It's like 5,000 a year. I think I replaced that vanity, and then I replaced that tree, and then when I'm finished with the rehab, I'll probably be like 10,000. So you're looking at like probably like 12, 13,000 I put back into the property after they move out. So I'll literally make almost $100,000. And after like realtor fees and title fees, I should net like no less than 80. Like I don't care what they find, I'm not gonna net no less than 80, so I could pay like everything off, and I'll be good. Um, I'm done with Section 8, y'all. Man, this is it for me. This is the second one. They messed up my house again, and I'm good. Y'all have a nice day. She's here.